Hello everyone, you are welcome on the brand new series of the Google ADK course. And in this tutorial, we have covered our first video, that is making the first AI agent. So now in this video, we'll going to create another AI agent, but that will be multi-tool agent. Okay. So in this previous video, in last we have over we have covered that, but in this video I will show you also describe why this is multi-tool agent. Okay. So let's open the tutorial, and here you will see something kind of multi-tool agent. Okay. So build a multi-tool agent. So we have set up environment and install ADK. So we have already this done in previous video. Already we have this done, and now in parent folder we have to create this one, right? So we can do using ADK create and then our agent name. So that we have covered in our older video. So what I am going to do is I am just going to here show you ADK create multi-tool agent. Using that I have created this. Okay, this one. So this is agent.py, and here you will find something like this. So here what I am going to do is you can do as here is this way also. You can create a mkdir, then you will create a directory, and inside that you can create like this. But I have used adk create. Okay. So now this is the code. Okay. So this is the code I am going to use in our agent. Okay. So just copy this and go here and paste it here. You will see something kind of these things is being used. I am just going to remove this one. Okay. Yeah. So we see we have two tools. One is get weather. We have another is get current time. So why we call multi-tool? Because here in tools we are providing multiple tools. That is simple. That we are providing multiple tools. One is get weather to know weather, and another is get current time to know time. Right? So this is why we are calling it multi-tool. Okay. So here what I am going to do is ADK and then web. Okay. Copy this URL. Then we can select from here our multi-tool agent. I say hi. Hello, I can provide with you the current weather and time for a city. Which city are you interested in? That is fantastic. Right? So I'm providing Noida. Do you like to know the weather, the time, or both for Noida? I'm saying both. Okay. Okay, so I'm sorry for I cannot provide weather information or the current time for Noida. It seems like the information for Noida is not available at the moment. Okay, we'll see the code, and here we see find something interesting, that is if this is New York, then it will be returning like this. Otherwise, it will be returning something like weather information for city is not available, right? So what we are going to do is we are just entering New York this time, and let's see. Okay, provide uh, weather and weather info about New York City. It is calling now this time. Okay, so this time it called. Here you will see something providing Noida. Then weather information for Noida is not available. It is provided. It is returned error message. Now let's see. Oh, fantastic! So this is saying that I'm sorry, but I cannot provide weather information for New York City at the moment. So let's see here. You will see something kind of that weather information for New York City is not available. Right? It is taking New York City. So and here in code it is New York. Right? So let's provide this itself. It is calling New York. The weather in New York is sunny with a temperature of 25 degrees centigrade Celsius. This one, right? So, yeah. So this is about New York, and now let's say time. What is what is time in New York? Okay, it is calling this time get time current time. The current time is this. Okay, so this is how we can use uh, multi-tool uh, in agents. Okay, so stay connected to Eras Flow, Eras Overflow. Thanks for watching this video.